Hey everybody, welcome back. So I am inside of JCPenney's. I am headed over to look at their purses right here, and then I'll probably make my way over to look at their shoes. So the first things I see are by Nicole Miller, $85, and most of the ones on this table look spring inspired. Look at this one. That is really cute. How much is that? Okay, so that one is $75, but it says everything over here is 40% off. And then you got a bigger version of that one for $85. She has some cute spring purses. Look at that. And then look at this with this like paisley print. And I like her little crossbodies. This one is really, really cute. I like that color. And that one is $60. What is this? This is also by her. I like those colors, that purple with the pink. That's cute. And then on this table, gosh, they got a lot of her purses. Here's another one, kind of like that hobo type style bag at the top. As you can see, it's kind of cinched up there. That's cute. It's $80. It's a cute little pattern. And then they got just your regular basic like metallic and black colors right here. They also have red. This is a smaller purse, so that one is $50 with 40% off. And behind this table there is this mix-it kind of sequin bag. I think it's like a cosmetic bag. $34. It's not Nicole Miller. It's probably not even supposed to be right here, but it's cute. And then here's another fanny pack. I've been seeing these all over the place. Goodness. And that's $35, but it's really soft leather, or fake leather, I guess. And then here's some Liz Claiborne's cute color block pattern or colors. I like that orange for spring, and this is $60. This one is $75. That's a nice purse. Put that up there next to that one. And then she has some regular little bags like that. More Liz Claiborne right here. Oh, this one is nice. It has a little tassel that hangs on the front for $60. Oh, I like that one. And then this one down here is $70 with a little pop of color right here, which matches the inside of the purse. I like those handles on that one. That's cute. And here's some Liz Claiborne with blue on it. The little gold little charm. These are $60 for this. And then you have that one back there. I'm not really too thrilled on that color combination, but these are cute. And she has different styles. Here's a smaller one, $65. Then here's this one right here, $75 for that. Okay, I like this one. Look at that. Look at the straps on that. That's really pretty. And this one is $70, and they also have that one in brown. I think I would pick that one. I like both of them, but I probably would go with that one. Here's another one. I like this pattern and this design on this. This is a willow tote for $75. Its only design is only on one side. That's nice. Gosh, they got lots of Liz Claiborne everywhere. This kind of looks like the other one I just showed you, but this one is pink. Here's more from Liz Claiborne. I think the florals are catching my attention just because it's about to be spring, but I really like that. Don't really see a tag on that one. Oh, $70. And then this one is really nice. Look at that. It's nice and big with the two tassels on it. No price. No price on that one. On this table, here's a black and white stripe for $75. Lots of red with the tassels. This one is $60. Oh, here's a really pretty peach color. This one is $65. I guess we'll just go around the table. Cute little backpack purse. This one is more like a nylon material, and it has the tassels, and this one is $75. That's kind of cute. Oh, here's another one just like the other ones that we just saw, the peach one, but instead it has the floral print. Here's a cute Nicole Miller. It's 60% off, and it's $33 with the cute little studs on it. I like that. Here's some wallets. Nicole Miller. This one is on clearance, 55% off for $17. Stephanie Johnson, $16 for that. Oh, what is this one? Is that a Liz? Yep, that's another Liz Claiborne. This one is really tiny, but the colors are really cute. That is 70% off, so that's only $16, marked down from $55. And they also come in black and white. So you can either get that color right there or this little black and white one for $16. And these back here, it says final take clearance 50 to 70% off. So this is what they have over here. How much is this one? This one is only $20, 70% off, and that's a nice big purse. Okay, this one is cute too. $23 for this one. I like that. And then another striped one for $23. Let's see what this one is. This one is more like a canvas bag, but it has the cute little tassels on there with the rope, and this is only $26.25. This will be a cute little summer purse or summer bag. These are also clearance. This one, Nicole Miller. This is $23. This is super cute, and this is 60% off for $21. I keep thinking about getting stuff with this print. I saw some shoes, but I didn't get them. I wish I did, because then I could have had the purse too. You got that one, and then these. And that is 65% off for $19.25. Here's some cute floral purses by Rossetti for $42. So you have that one with the double zippers in the front and then the zipper at the top. There's another floral pattern. And then that one, oh, this is cute. This is a backpack purse. Look at all that, all the zippers on that. And then it has nice thick straps. I like that. And this is $59. Are these 40% off? Yeah, those are 40% off as well. And then you have these up here, which I can't reach, but those are cute too. And it looks like I've come to the end of the purses. What brand is this? Rossetti. And these are $59. And they have the brown, the tan, and the pink color. So I'm gonna head right on over across, and we're gonna look at a few of the shoes. Looks like they have a bunch of their clearance stuff on this side. Oh, lots of boots. Uh-oh, something caught my attention. What are these? Oh, Arizona. Those are kind of cute. Okay, I don't see a price. Oh, those are $23.99. So I do think this is the clearance side over here, which I won't really go through a whole bunch of those. I'm gonna focus more over here. Liz Claiborne. These are $60. $60 for these. Those are cute. Those come in black and this color. Here's some more Liz Claiborne. And these are $60. Those are cute. And they come in black and tan. Oh, they're on sale for $34.99. Oh, these are cute. I don't know about that heel though. Usually gladiator sandals don't have the heel on them. And these are $54 and they come in black. Look at these Liz Claiborne shoes. That color is beautiful. So you have the patent leather on the front and then it looks like a soft material back here. And these are on sale for either $44 or $49 and they come in tan as well. And this light like blush color. Oh, and black. Those are pretty. Arizona Jean Company. How much are these? These are $50 marked down to $34. But they're really pretty because they have that wavy pattern on the front. Here's some by Worthington, really sparkly. Those are $29, marked down from $55. And they also come in black, tan, and burgundy. Oh, and they even have this gray and black kind of pattern with a chunky heel. And those are $29.99. And then over here they have some Anna like wedges. I like those. And they have the zipper up the back. So those come in brown or black. And they say $60. I'm not sure if they're on sale. There's no extra little thing over here. And then you got these with the big Velcro on the side right there. And those come in black or brown. These are really cute by Pop. And these are $64. Not sure if they're on sale, but those are really cute. And then you have these right here. Look at that. I like that detail up the side. They have the zipper on the other side. Those say $70 for those. And then you got these are also by Pop. And look at that. Oh gosh, I really like that one right there. Look at that band on the side. Those are nice. And those are $70. And that is it for the shoes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.